Hello, and welcome to Fix-It Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to block annoying ads and pop-ups on Chrome browser. First of all, I will show you some examples of ads and pop-ups which you see when surfing the internet. I am going to open speedtest.net. Here are some odds. Let's open up another website. If you want to download movies, you might have visited this website. So, when I click on the Hollywood category, a pop-up gets open. I have to close it, and again, click on Hollywood to get to Hollywood Movies page. Let's check Captain Marvel. Oops, another pop-up. I have to close it, and again, click on Captain Marvel to open the download page. Let's open up the Pirate Bay website. Click on Browse Torrent. Here's an ad. Click on HD Movies section. Here you can see a lot of unwanted ads, which you do not want to see. These are the 3 extensions which you will need to block all annoying ads and pop-ups. Search on Google for AdBlock and download the ones I show you. Download the pop-up blocker. Now I will show you how these websites work with the ad blockers and pop-up blockers. All ads are gone, but if some ads still remain there, you can manually remove them just like I am doing here. Now let's look at those pop-ups we saw earlier. Oh great, it's blocked. Thanks to the pop-up blocker. All ads are gone. Hope you are now ads-free. Happy surfing. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.